This is in the town of San Andreas. It was settled in 1848 by Mexican miners. This was the first building that was built here. Started out tent city, but then this is the first building that was built in 1858. Or it was purchased 1858. I guess it was built then. But it was known as the heart of the mines. So Rancho Murrieta used to have rendezvous here, and then later Black Bart was tried at that courthouse right there. You'll see it in a second. Right across the street's the Black Bart Inn. It's kind of a steep hill, steeper than it looks. That's a museum now, but that used to be the courthouse. I think it's open. It's Oddfellows Hall, 1856. Yeah, I guess it is open. Those people are coming out. So Black Bart was tried here and sent to prison for stagecoach robberies. I don't know where he went to prison at. I think San Quentin? I don't know. I should know, huh? Where's my bike? Oh, here's another bar. Black Bart Lounge. We've never been in that bar.
Oh no, it works fine. We just have to go down and take care of the dogs. Get them out, get them fed. Yep. All right. Okay, let's see the lunch.
There's a little look at the town. Well, I just went there. It was cash only, but I didn't notice. And I didn't have any cash. And I still drank for free. Well, I drank for free because I'm a vagrant with no cash. I only had my card. I guess it's a good excuse to come back someday and pay for the drink I got for free. Well, I'm not doing dirt roads today. No, I'm staying on the highway. I'm on Highway 49. This is the town of Angels Camp. I just came out of there. Mark Twain used to frequent this town. He wrote the book of the, what's that? Jumping Frog Jubilee or something like that? Look at that. Hell yeah. That's badass. There's the movie theater. This is a cool town. It's all part of the Golden Highway, Highway 49. Well, now I'm in front of the Murphy's Hotel. It's the town of Murphy's. It's starting to get a little chilly. So famous rock wall. If you were here during the frog jumps, you'd know why this is the famous rock wall. Everybody sits along here. And it's wall-to-wall motorcycles. But today I think I'm the only bike. It's a little chilly up here. It's a little higher than where I was in Angels Camp. I came up Murphy's Grade Road just because it's a fun road. But you gain elevation, it starts to get a little chilly. Well, I'm back in Columbia. The creek's still running. Gotta stop and get some pizza before I go home. The best pizza anywhere. There's my town. They saved my parking spot. Columbia, California. My favorite place. There's our grocery store. The Columbia Mercantile.